Hi and good day to everyone. We are AlphaNet Connectors and today we are going to present our company's profile, activities and project. First, let me introduce our company members. First, we have Amira binti Muhammad Hanif as our leader, and next is me, Fatin Nur binti Muhammad Amiruddin, and Aina Maisarah binti Muhammad Aziman. Also, we have Fitri Nazira binti Muhammad Zainal, and lastly, Alisha Aisyah binti Ahmad. So now, let's move on to our company's profile. So, AlphaNet Connector is a company that based at Lot 23, Jalan Teknologi 3, Taman Perindustrian Gambang, 26300 Gambang, Pahang, Malaysia. So, AlphaNet Connector is a forward-thinking company dedicated to revolutioning computing and networking technology. Our mission is to empower business with innovative, high-performance solutions that enhance connectivity, streamline operation, and drive growth. At AlphaNet Connectors, we are working to become one of the top companies in technology. We create products like data transmission system and offer service like system integration. By focusing on this innovation, reliability, and great customer support, we are here to help customers with digital transformation. So as we can see on this slide, there is figure of AlphaNet Connector company's layout, which consists of three main departments: finance, human resource, and operation. We also have three main discussion room and counter. Apart from that, we also have security rooms to secure our staff safety. We also provide other facilities like kitchen, surau, and toilet.
Next is about company network physical topology. As you can see in our company, there are 4 departments which are operation, security, human resources, and finance. This department connected to main router as a connector between the department and also to the internet. Our company also apply firewall as a precaution step and to increase the security for our company. Next is about security configuration. Here are the security configuration that we apply on each router and switch for each department. So these are the security configuration for operation and security department. These are security configuration for human resources and finance department. And last one, these are the security configuration for our main router and firewall. Next is about subnet calculation. The network address given is 192.168.40.0, prefix 25, and the subnet mask is 255.255.255.128. The host needed for operation department is 30 hosts, for security department is 28 hosts, for human resources department is 10 hosts, and for finance department is 6 hosts. So these are the subnet calculation for operation, security, and human resources department. And this is the calculation for finance department, main router, link firewall to the internet, and link internet to the server. Last one is the calculation for the point-to-point link between the main router to each department.
Next, I'll be focusing on PIN, which is a network utility used to test connectivity between devices and helps to verify that they are reachable on the network by sending ICMP echo request packets and wait for them to reply. By this, our devices can function well and communicate effectively. So, for example, here, I choose PC in finance department to ping with our router. So, in PC in finance department, we will start to ping to the IP address of our router. So, as the result, the value is true, which means that our finance PC is successfully communicate with our router. This step can be used when we want to ping one department to another. For example, here I choose ping PC in finance department to human resource department. As a result, it will show the TTL value, which means it is success. Then I will go to password and encryption part, which help us to secure access to network devices and protect sensitive data during transmission. The word security relies on strong password and encryption for protecting device configuration and preventing unauthorized access. So, in our company, for each department, we are using enable secret command and service password encryption to prevent plain text password from being exposed in device configuration and provide better security. For example, here I choose router in finance department. As you can see here, we have to set up the password and encryption so that only authorized personnel can access the router and communication remains secure. Besides, when we enter the wrong password over 3 times, it will back or return to our main page. So by this, all communication in our devices is encrypted, preventing attackers from intercepting sensitive data. So next we're going to check the configuration by using command show running config. So here we can see that all passwords are now encrypted, including the enable secret and console password. This demonstrates show how encryption secures sensitive information on the router.
This is our poster for the awareness program. So in this poster, we have phishing attacks, ransomware attacks, and SQL injection. And the total likes for the poster that we get is 36 likes. Cybersecurity threats come in various forms, and understanding them is key to prevention. Phishing attacks occur when hackers use deceptive emails, messages, or websites to trick individuals into revealing sensitive information such as login credentials, financial detail, or personal data. These attacks rely on fake emails and websites that appear legitimate, making it crucial to verify sender details, avoid suspicious links, and use multi-factor authentication. Ransomware attacks, on the other hand, involve hackers infiltrating a computer or network, encrypting sensitive data, and demanding ransom for its release. This form of extortion can severely disrupt both business and individuals, causing financial loss and data breaches, which can be mitigated through regular backups, software updates, and caution with unknown attachments. Lastly, SQL injection attacks exploit vulnerabilities in a website's database by injecting malicious code into input fields, allowing unauthorized access to sensitive information such as user data or payment details. To prevent SQL injection, it is essential to use parameterized queries, implement input validation, and deploy web application firewalls. Being aware of these threats and taking proactive measures can significantly reduce the risk of falling victims to cyber attacks.
The pie chart shows that 78.9% of respondents are students, 7% staff, 5.3% unemployed, 5.3% teachers, 1.8% seafarer, and 1.8% IT executive. Two charts at the bottom shows result of audience knowledge about the issues before and after reading the poster and watch the video. This chart shows how familiar the audience is with topics like phishing attacks, ransomware, and SQL injection before they saw the poster or video. There were 57 responses rated on a scale of 1, not familiar, to 5, very familiar. About 32% of people, 18 respondents, had little to no knowledge, rating their familiarity as 1 or 2. The largest group, 39%, 22 people, gave themselves a 3, meaning they had some basic understanding. Next chart shows how well the audience understood phishing attacks, ransomware, and SQL injection after seeing the poster and video. A total of 57 responses were recorded, rated on a scale from 1, not understood, to 5, fully understood. No one rated their understanding as 1 or 2, meaning everyone gained some level of understanding. A small group, 4 respondents, or 7%, rated their understanding as 3, indicating a moderate level. Most participants rate their understanding highly, with 21 people, 37%, giving it a 4, and 32 people, 56%, giving it a 5. The result shows that the poster and video were effective in significantly improving the audience understanding of these cybersecurity issues. Next slide shows the audience feedback about how important the awareness information to audience daily life and the result of the knowledge that get by the audience. This chart shows that no one rate is as 1 or 2, showing that everyone found this awareness information is important. Only 1%, 2% rate is as 3, meaning moderately important. 14 people, 24% rate is as 4, considering it important. The majority, 42 people, 74% rate is as 5, showing they see it as very important for their daily life. The survey gathered feedback from 57 participants regarding key cybersecurity issues highlighted in the poster and video. The result shows many participants focus and understand the security issues which were highlighted in the poster and videos. In terms of usefulness, 96.5% of respondents agreed that the information provided could help improve their cybersecurity habits, demonstrating strong positive feedback on the material presented. That's all from us. Thank you.